mga boss of PLDT na na-appreciate na kami and they see us not just beings that are successful now kasi sometimes people they box us na parang okay successful siya talaga kasi may ganyan kasi may connection yan ganyan and it's a good day to feel na parang hindi siya namin nakuha ng madalian. And ang sobrang sarap sa feeling na people get to see you like this. Because then again, at the end of the day, everything was worthwhile. Everything na pinaghirapan nyo, every day na nahihirapan kang gawin yung content na to, or push for this career path, it all goes down to your dream. And yun para sa akin, it's really worthwhile. And it was tears of joy and appreciation for all these people.
So sinitan ko na rin yung interview mo kay Boy Abunda, naging emotional ka, tapos yung revelation mo. How did that make you feel finally coming out about your experience before?
I can comment about that.
Yeah, hi, kanina you said na when you were starting out, you knew na you weren't, parang hindi ka pa yung one of the best. And then, sino yung mga linulook up to mo na you thought, kumbaga yung standard mo as the best or the ones that you wanted to be?
Sobrang hirap, but I don't know if the Carpenters, Michael Bublé, Mariah Carey, a lot of Filipino singers as well, DJ Montente, Kuya DJ that I'm friends with at the moment, Four of Spades also, and a lot of K-pop and J-pop influence na nagbigay sa akin inspiration to push for this career.
And then, wherever you are performing, sumasakit yung tenga ko sa dami ng mga sumisigaw na fans. So,
Akala ko sa boses ko po
do you ever get tired of it? Yung mga nagsisigawan, nagigana?
No. I always tell myself na never take anything for granted. Kasi hindi naman lagi sumisigaw sa'yo yung tao, di ba? And alam ko yung feeling doon na nag-perform ako at walang sumisigaw. So every moment, every time that people shout for my name, and people shout for whenever I'm on stage, I always tell myself na these people are supporting you. So always give them the performance they deserve.
And then you gave away a guitar today. Is it the one you used in the commercial? Ano ba yung na yun?
Well, yung guitar na yun, it was PLDT's idea for for people to see na yung music is a career path na pwedeng ma-achieve ng kahit sino. So para sa akin, it's a wonderful gesture for everyone, as well yung parang nabigay din si Suzy Sor na parang gaming na so parang siya para sa akin, sa passing torch type. So ayun, wala namang meaning, but I wrote there na parang thank you for always connecting with me.
Thank you. I think a solo photo.
Yes.
One question lang. Ang daming artist nang nagsabi gusto kang makakolaborate kahit wala ka pang napagbibigyan. Malapit na ba?
Oo, malapit po yan.
At sino?
Kasi mga collaborations talaga, I always take pride sa kung sino po yung makakasama ko. Actually, I have a latest collaboration with Jake from an international singer. It's JVKE. We just dropped a single called Seasons. It's for his Asia Tour album. So it's an international artist na I really look up to, and I'm so honored and thrilled that I got to collaborate with him. So future collaborations very soon, especially sa OPM.
Ayan, sa OPM,
Marami na akong friends.
sa OPM wala pa.
Gusto ko si OJ, Cup of Joe, sana.
Solo photo lang.